Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today's video, I'll show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. So select your area and just hold your finger on your area and you can see a pin appear here. So this is how you can pin on Google Maps. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.